Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items. Number 2 on my list. Number 2, pen and paper. They go together like water and water. Peanut butter and jelly. Bert and Ernie. Sun and the moon. Heaven and earth. Heaven and hell. You know what I mean. Don't leave home without it. Top 5 carry item. Hands down. This is the Energel Liquid Gel Ink from Pentel. Yeah, Pentel. Gel pen with a 0.5 tip. So fine tip right there. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. If I do that, maybe. Yep, bam, there's the tip. Fine tip, and that's what I use at work. So it's a good pen. Don't really have much else to say about it. It writes good. It's in black ink. Got a little finger gel thing. Ergonomics, great. Pocket clip, great. Never failed. The ink has never, it's always functioned properly. Nothing bad to say about it. It's a pen. But yeah, where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? Would it make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.